Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, Luke Rice. Luke Rice is back, and this is Thursday at Motorcycle Live. Let's get into it. Yeah.
It's showtime.
So this is where we are about to feel what it's like to ride an electric motorcycle. That is the Kawasaki E1. It's recent, but it's going to be released for 2024. And then some brands big guys never heard of before are moving. And then selection of scooters. And it would be interesting. That's the course out there. This is Thursday. Got Indians over there. They're interesting Indians. Big V twins. United States and America. Lots of different colours, styles, belt drives. So on Indians, it's just a belt that drives the rear wheel, not a chain. What does that tell you? It tells you that the engine is not very stressed. Wow! Because a chain can take a lot more punishment, a lot more power and torque than a belt can. So it's an engine that's low stress, designed to do a lot of miles. Just a massive air-cooled cruiser by Indian. And yeah. And then you got this business here. The price doesn't know anything about them really. It's kind of they're just kind of there, sort of thing.
Now mine.
So many motorcycles, it's incredible. Not a motorcycle here is just, wow, very interesting. Incredible, isn't it? Well, thanks for watching everybody at Luke Rides. Amazing. Really good day, good fun. Love it. Oh, Luke Rides is tired. Luke Rides is tired. He's been making money. Now he's tired. It's not good. But it's good. As long as you're tired for the right reasons. That's the problem. You're tired for the wrong reasons. Thanks for watching.
The way we...
The little rascal has spirit. Has water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.